Understanding Splitting Hairs, an easy guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, splitting hairs. This phrase might sound strange at first, but it's a common expression in English. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Splitting hairs is an idiom that refers to making unnecessary distinctions or arguing about trivial details. It's often used when someone is being overly precise or focusing too much on small differences that are not important. Imagine trying to split a hair in half. It's a very fine detail that usually doesn't make a significant difference. That's the essence of this phrase. The idiom, splitting hairs, dates back to the 17th century. It was used in philosophical and theological debates where scholars would argue over very fine points. These arguments were often seen as overly detailed and not contributing much to the overall discussion, just like trying to split a very thin hair. To help you understand better, here are some examples of how splitting hairs is used. 1. Debates. In the debate, the candidates were just splitting hairs over small policy differences. 2. Workplace. My boss is always splitting hairs about the format of reports, even though the content is what matters. 3. Personal disagreements. We shouldn't split hairs about who's right or wrong in this situation. What's important is finding a solution. When using splitting hairs, remember it's often associated with a negative connotation. It implies that the discussion or argument is not productive. You can use it to gently remind someone, or yourself, to focus on the bigger picture rather than getting lost in minor details. That's all about splitting hairs. I hope this video helps you understand and use this interesting phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but also about the culture and context they are used in. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.